Hi students, your lesson this week is going to continue working with multisyllabic words, but what you're going to notice is the ending of all your words is going to end with the LE. So this is the last syllable type that we have to learn, and so you'll find that there will be a consonant and then LE as the second syllable in your words this week. Now we see the LE, and it's really pronounced more like an ol. So it sounds a little bit like the vowel and then the L sound. And so you're going to notice that. Now I'm going to show you some of the words that have a similar pattern first, and then we'll talk about those, and then we'll move on to words that have a little bit different syllable pattern. So the first word I'm going to put down is apple. Okay, so I know this is a word you already know how to read, so I wanted to start with that. Okay, so I'm going to tap the sounds, a, p, l. So a, p, l. We would divide it like this for how we would write it by phonemes. Okay, now the a is a short a sound, a. Now when we're dividing our syllables, we would do apple as we say it out loud. When we divide syllables on paper, it's a little bit different. We split the two P's. So it's pull. Now again, we don't say it pull, but when we're dividing those double consonants, we're going to divide it right here in between the two. So you're going to find that I have a double P right here because I have this short vowel sound. So go ahead and say apple. Okay, the next one is this word. See if you can read it. Okay, the word is fiddle. F-I-D-L. So 4 sounds. F-I-D, right? We don't make the double D sound. We just put it together. And then you have your ul, okay? But remember, when we do syllables, we would say fiddle, so it sounds like it divide after the I. But because of the double consonants, we're going to divide it in between them. Fiddle, fiddle. A fiddle is a musical instrument. Okay, after fiddle, see if you can read that word. The word is settle, settle. Now, we kind of flap the T sound, and we might say it more like settle, because the T and the D are those voiced and voiceless partners. And so you might hear as someone's reading settle, okay, but it's really settle, so we spell it with T's. So we're going to tap it. S-E-T-L. S-E-T-L. Settle. Okay, so I'm going to split these here. Settle. Settle. We're splitting the syllables between the two T's because we have that double consonant. Now notice this is also a short E. This was a short I. Fid, set, app. So far, those all have short vowels, and you notice that after that short vowel, we doubled our consonant. We have a couple more that have this similar pattern. What does that word say? Good. Pebble. So tap your sounds. P-E-B-L. Okay. We're going to write it here. P-E-B-L. Pebble. So we're going to switch. Pebble. So when we say it, it sounds like we go pe and then the bull, right? Because we don't make the two B sounds. It's one sound. But when we divide it by syllables, we're going to split that double B. Peb-bull. Pebble. This is a short E. Peb-bull. Pebble. Pebble like a small little rock you might find on the ground and pick up a pebble. This word you might not have heard before. See if you can read it. This word says quibble. 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 Okay. So in our story, a quibble is going to be like a little fight that some friends get into, right? They have a disagreement about something. So we would say they're having a quibble. Now, this one, when we do our sounds, it can be a little bit tricky because the q is really two different sounds. K, w, I, b, o. Okay, now you could put the q together, the QU, but it's really like this. Q, I, here's your short I, b, o. And I put the QU together because those sounds have to go together. You don't have the Q by itself. They always go together. So Q, I, B, O. Now we have this double B, so we're going to split the syllables here. Quib, bull. And again, notice that you have that short I. That's the pattern I want you looking for with this first set of words. And then I want you to read this word. That says scuffle, scuffle. So the friends have a quibble, they're having an argument. Scuffle would be if their argument turns into them actually fighting together, okay, which is not what we want, right? Okay, so they might get into a scuffle, okay, brothers and sisters or brothers and brothers, sometimes we'll get into a little scuffle at home. So tap your sounds. S, k, f, l. Okay, so I'm gonna tap them or map it now. Short U, full. Okay, so there's my word. I'm going to split my syllables between my F's, my doubles. Scuff, full. Okay, so what I want you to see here, apple, fiddle, settle, pebble, quibble, scuffle. These words all have a short vowel sound. And what you notice is after the short vowel sound, we had a double consonant in these words. So the double consonant came after a short vowel and directly after that short vowel, okay? So that's part one of your words. Part two is we're going to look at words that have the LE, a consonant LE, but we're going to notice a difference with these words. So I'm going to write this word. I want you to read it. What does that word say? Marble. So tap the sounds. M, R, B, O. Okay, so we're going to write this down. M, R, B, O. Okay, so you're going to notice this does not have the double consonant. Okay, so when I go to do my syllables, marble, okay, I'm not going to split my consonant LE. That has to be a syllable. So it goes like this, marble. Those are my syllables, marble. And I'm not splitting or not doubling the letter after the first syllable, right? There's no double here because I don't have a short vowel sound. I have a vowel R, the AR, R. So you're going to notice that's different with these words. Okay, now I want you to read this one. That word is sparkle. Tap your sounds. S, P, R, K, O. Okay, so we have a S, P, that's a blend right there. R, K, O. Okay, now this syllable LE is always going to be a syllable by itself, coal. So we have sparkle. So the syllables sparkle. That's how we build that word. Again, this is not a short vowel. This is a vowel R. So you notice we don't have any double consonants in this word. Read this next word. That word says handle. Tap the sounds. A, N, D, O. So I'm going to do A, N, D, O. Handle. Handle. So my dull is a syllable. Handle. Okay. This one is one of those words where it looks like it should be doubled and it's not. Handle. Okay, so we have a word here that's a little bit different than the other ones. And then this is going to be a name in our story. So I should capitalize that, which I did not do. So that says Sable. So tap your sounds. S, A, B, L. So we're going to put it here. S, A, B, L. Now, did you notice when we said that it's Sable? This is the long A. Okay, so Sable. Sable. Okay, so here we don't have a double B because if I had a double B, I'd need to pronounce it as Sable, and that's not the right word. Sable with two B's would mean that that vowel should be a short vowel sound. And so without the double B, that tells me to make the long vowel sound. So let's look over all of our words before you continue with your lesson. You have apple with the double P, fiddle with the double D, settle with the double T, pebble, double B, quibble, double B, scuffle, double F. And then down here, marble, okay? So again, right here, it's a vowel R. It's not a short vowel. We're not gonna double that B. Sparkle, vowel R. We're not gonna double this, okay? This, remember, looks like you might want to double it, right? Handle, because that's a short A. But the problem is that we have these two consonants together. And so that's going to prevent me from doubling my N, okay? Because this D that goes with the dull is not the same consonant here. So because of this part of the word, these two consonants together, I'm not going to double that. And then the reason I don't double the B for sable is because of the long A. So in your Nearpod lesson, I'm going to have you practice tapping the sounds and mapping them on a grid similar to this with just fewer words. And then I want you with your Draw It in the pencil tool to actually go and scoop the syllables. If you have your double syllables, you're going to scoop right after the first B or D, whatever it happens to be, and scoop in the middle for the second syllable. And then you're going to, on the words that do not get doubled, you're going to scoop it right before the consonant LE. So the bull, cull, dull, and bull here will all be syllables on their own, all right? So I know you can do it. Do your best. Bye.